Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, welcome. If you're an old subscriber or returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. It's been a while since I did a talk through video. That's because I have so much noise in my background, but I'm using my Vaseline lip therapy to moisturize my lips. Now I'll go ahead and blend my concealer, the excess concealer, on my eyelid. Going in with my Kiss Beauty Miniac eye pencil as my eyeshadow base. I'm using my finger to blend that in. I'm using the Nikak Dual Contour and I'm using both shade. And I'm going in with my broken eyeshadow palette and I'm going in with this pink. It's a light pink shade. I don't know if you guys can see this. It's a light pinky shade. I needed something light, not but it's a lighter shade, but it seems this one is a little bright and I don't want it. So I'm adding this light shade on top of the other one. With the same brush I use to kind of blend this. I'm going in with my Pretty by Floma eyeliner pen to line my eyes. My lash glue on top of my natural lashes. Yes, I find that way easier in applying my lashes, so you can give it a try. Now I'm using my lashes, and these are my lashes for today. So I'll just put it on like this. That's it. Easiest way I find in applying my lashes now. So if you want in with my primer from Benefits, today is Floma Cosmetics Power is a Fusion Power Foundation. I don't know. My face, I'm using the AOA concealer in the shade Toast and Toffee to I like to blend with my brush before using a beauty blender or the other way around. Gloss Pro Matte Foundation in the shade Ebony. I'm mixing Ebony and Cafe because the Ebony is too dark. Where I want to contour, I'll start off with my nose. And I always love to blend my contour into my brow. To kind of blend my nose contouring, and I love doing this because it gets into my inner eye area. I contour. I'm using my Nika Dual to set the places. Highlighted. I'm using this loose powder from Floma Cosmetics, and I'm using the shade Bronze Sand to set. I will set my entire face. That same powder. This one is light sand. I'm using this Nika Dual blush. Sugar 2 palettes, and I'm iconic kajal eyeliner to line my lip gloss in the shade Milano Red. So let's go Milano. Final look. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe down below. All of it. And if you have interesting hello